Too long for Alfar. Timeout, Bohol Province, 18, serving 17. By Tanay City Division. Once again, good morning to Barangay Pagakban officials. Spearheaded by Puno Barangay, Honorable Irving T. Huragan, together with his Barangay Kagawan, Janice Fidelis, Richard Martil, Harold Pabella, Leron Talon, Ricky Jimena, Tony Venus, Alex Algazar Sr. As the chairman of Barangay Pagakban, J.R. E. Pintor.
Hi, welcome guys.
Good morning also to our police personnel who are here present in our venue. Good morning, sir.
Sipira at 2025 sa Bayuan City. Dayon. Laban ngayon ng Tanhay versus
It's another low ball for jersey number 7, Miss Hit. 19, serving 17. In an outside shot by Cristiano for jersey number 18. 20-17 is our score. Another ball out. 21-17.
So guys, first set pa lang to siya. So mainit na yung labanan between Bohol at saka Siquijor. So nandito pa rin tayo ngayon sa Pagakban G sa ating Sipira at 2025. So, ito yung hi.
Good morning as well to our support school, the Bukaw Elementary School, with their teacher in charge, Mr. Jeronimo S. Bilbar Jr. Still serving jersey number 2, Carla Cooper. Into the net, service error by Tanay City. 18, serving 22. Blood touch by Igario. Score 23-18.